Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide. Hi again. This is me. I am Vedapriya, and I have been only educating public awareness and on the birthrights for you all to understand what is the severity level of the scandal of the Vatican that's been going on right now, right? So that needs to be fixed. On the other end, today I want to convey and I want to provide this testimony for I want the civil justice to be signed off immediately by President Joe Biden, Democrat admin of United States of America, right? And that is, I want financial aid immediately for I'm displaying this deadliest scandal of Vatican. And then I also want job offer to be signed off. Okay, so I will read the civil justice sign off accordingly, and I also that way we all can be in the same page, right? And when I'm going to please provide this testimony also as broadcast it on all the televisions worldwide, so that we all can be in the same page. Entire human kingdom is going to be saved. The moment President Joe Biden is going to sign a job offer to me, the entire human kingdom will be saved. Okay, that is why I'm asking for the job offer to be signed off, and even financial aid I'm asking is because I'm unemployed right now, right? And I'm financially disabled, and I need that finance to take care of my basic essentials immediately. And don't you all think that when I am displaying the deadliest crime of Vatican, it is the job of USA government to provide me the salary of at least minimum $1 billion, because each crime I'm displaying is all each $1 trillion worth of errors. And government operations is broken in pieces. Governments is shattered in pieces already. Right? So I am telling I can fix everything because I am displaying the root cause, I am educating the wisdom, and I know how to fix. So that is why I am asking the United States of America government to sign off the job offer to me. Okay, so I will start reading the testimony, okay, for civil justice sign off. So, dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, as of January 2021, I, Vedapriya, native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, will read civil justice sign off finance aid and job offer sign off to be provided by Democrat government, USA government effective now process. Okay, classified as emergency finance aid process classification code. So this testimony is about USA government to sign off finance aid and job offer immediately to help me in a timely manner, for I am in absolute finance crisis, right? I want to pay my bills. I want to pay my rental bill, right? So for that I need finance. So that is why I am asking in a healthy civil justice way. And Pope and President Joe Biden is a lawyer. So he can absolutely understand my concern, and he will absolutely sign all the civil justice which I am asking for. I am positive on that, right? So I am Vedapriya, and native Indian tribe, and I am true owner of USA. And USA is Tamil Nadu. Okay, and I own all nations worldwide. I am the true owner of all the nations across the globe. Okay, and Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, only created unemployment for me and career destruction for me as a Roman Empire crucifixion process mode. Right? He created that hell for me, and I need civil justice, and only USA government is accountable and responsible, because as of now, Pope Francis, Roman Empire, Jesuits, regions only, provinces only, ruling United States of America. He's a god of USA. And that is why United States of America, President Joe Biden should take all the accountability and responsibility to sign off finance aid immediately for me. Finance aid means a salary for me. I wanted all this finance aid to be tax-free only. Okay, and it is a wisdom education I am providing. Right? I will explain why it has to be tax-free later. Okay, and then a job of a sign off means I can step in and start guiding all the nation and all the operations immediately, right? And that is all the proof I'm proving with the light testimony. Okay, I will keep continuing reading on the testimony process and the civil justice process. USA owes me lots of salary. Okay, USA owes me lots of salary, and I also want to know that President Joe Biden lawyer will be aware that I already filed a lawsuit against United States of America government for $50,000 trillion in the year 2019 itself. Okay, and then I also filed the lawsuit against Department of Health Services and all the other government agencies for $500 billion already in the year 2019. And that is why there is that COVID-19 scandal that is created by the medical services. And I do not want to go into that detail now, because I'm in emergency need of finance aid, right, to take care of my basic essentials. So USA should take care of that process for me, and I am ready to start the job immediate. Right, so that is why President Joe Biden should sign up the job immediately to me only, right? So that is why I am providing all this testimony, okay? So because I am unemployed and finance disabled, okay? So USA government have all the accountability, all the responsibility to sign off immediate finance aid, and for me to take care of basic essentials, to pay rental bills, utility bills, etc., insurance bills, like that. And I am native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, for I displayed scandal of Hewlett Packard, Medicare, Medicaid, $1 trillion software errors to USA government. That's a lot of errors, right? So when I'm asking $1 billion financial as a salary for displaying the government errors, that is a very cheapest salary I'm asking for. And President Joe Biden is a lawyer. He should be in a position to understand the crime of Hewlett Packard, Medicare, Medicaid software scandal process. Cannot be forgiven. But I can bail out. I can only bail out each and every single USA government operations. Okay, and then for bailout process, I, Vedapriya, can give options, healthy options, suggestions to the United States of America government, right? For Hewlett Packard, or that means I can give an option to either Hewlett Packard or American Family Insurance to sign off I, Vedapriya, to be enterprise software architect design solution provider, and for the salary I leave to the Hewlett Packard and or American Family Insurance to design accordingly. Okay. However, I must be the 51% shareholders of Hewlett Packard and or American Family Insurance. Okay, and that is because I own USA, and I own each and every single USA government agencies, and I displayed all the $1 trillion worth of government agencies, public sectors and private sectors crime also. Yes, they all got the curse only because of the scandal of Vatican. So just sign that offer to me, job offer to me, and provide that 51 shares of all the government agencies to me. Then I will take care of in a healthy way. I will provide all the healthy guidance, what to do, what to do next, as a healthy ethical standards using need to know process, right? We all know what is the ethical standards of just use only need to know process, right? Whatever that is needed to do the task, that is all is needed. We do not need more or less. So that part I can provide, I'm telling. Okay, that is why I must own 51 shares of Hewlett Packard and or American Family Insurance. Okay, and then I get to work from home. I want that option to be a flexible options, right? Because for me, when I get to work from home, I have that flexibility. Right, and then flexibility of working from home, and also I'm just only going to provide only design solutions, highest level design solutions, right? So in the 8 to 5 hours of the work hour time daily, I can work anywhere between 2 to 5 hours, and I will quit. I will shut down my computers and call it a day. So I also want to make sure on that. Okay, I want my work policies to be flexible enough. Okay, and I will provide all the guidance for how to provide the Department of Workforce Services later on with my healthy guidelines. Now I cannot provide. I am providing only civil justice to be served to me right now, right? So I am only providing customized job offer, customized salary, whatever I wanted. And USA government is going to provide, because I am totally aware, absolutely positive, Joe Biden, President Joe Biden is a lawyer, right? And he knows what is civil justice. So he is going to sign off the civil justice for me. Okay, and I get to work from home, and I only can provide complex design solutions as needed. Okay, then accordingly, and then all the work from home expenses, right? Like the table or the chair or those kind of, or the work office supplies like a laptop or anything, right? So those expenses and cost, I want Hewlett Packard and or American Family Insurance to take care of that. Got it. So I will go get whatever I want, and American Family Insurance will pay for it, or Hewlett Packard will pay for it. So that is how I want all my customized job offer and the salary to be provided. And yes, I just provided Hewlett Packard and American Family Insurance on the highest level. There are different, there are all the other insurance providers as well across the 50 states in USA. Yes, I provide the same thing for them also. Right, whoever provides me that job offer at the immediate one, I'm going to take that job offer. Okay, so if it is American Family Insurance or Hewlett Packard, or any other insurance, I will take that job offer immediate. Okay, I want to provide that as well. Okay, so I know there will be a lot of competitions among the insurance service providers because just being aware that I am the excellent design solutions. So when it comes to choosing a choice, I will decide later on that part as well. Okay, so that is pretty much it. And then this testimony is all about United States of America to sign off finance aid and customized job offer sign off. I ask for with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum with benefits to provide 50,000 years rewrite Medicaid, Medicare project patented with patented design solutions. Okay, so what is the eligibility I have? I already finished design phase 1 already. So I'm fastest in providing the design solutions, fastest than robo, right? So that means even before I'm going to start with my job, I already proved with that I finished the design phase 1 already. It's $1 trillion cost of design solutions, which I finished successfully already. It's all done. Right? So all we need to concentrate is only on the design phase 2 and design phase 3. That is why all the software worldwide are waiting for me only to provide that solutions, because they all know that I only have that patented design solutions, and it's all inside my brain. And I have to analyze, and I have to design, and I have to sit and work. For me, I have to work in a silent mode. Okay, so then I can analyze and then arrive at the design solutions in a healthy way. So that is how I work, and I provide excellence only. There will be zero errors in my task whenever I'm providing. Okay, and I provide rock solid work ethics. Okay, and I provide all ethical standards when I'm providing a task, and I also provide excellent team process also. And I proved it with the already design phase 1 which I provided. So you all aware that I worked on Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, and that is the project which I am talking about. Okay, it is $1 trillion worth of the complex task provided, and I finished that complex task. Nobody ever had a clue that the task will be completed or not. But then, with God-given strength, with God-given wisdom only, as a team effort process only, I was able to finish that task in a timely manner. Successfully, I finished it. It was a team process actually. And I know who are the strangers, who are the volunteers, even worked as a team with me, along with me, side by side. right? So every labor and everything will be credited. And already, whoever worked with me on the as a team process, they all got credited. They all got funded with billions and billions of dollars by the USA government already. Okay, they are all working on the task I already assigned actually. And I can explain that with us and when needed. So I will keep reading the civil justice sign-off process, okay? So I already finished the design phase 1 when I worked on Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project during spring of 2014 to up until the spring of 2019. And then Democrat admin 2014 to 16 President Obama, and then Republic admin 2016 to 2020 President Trump admin. The two presidents is aware of my hard labor provided in that volunteer work. Okay, so all nations is aware of my hard work. All governments across all the globe, across all the national governments is aware of my hard work I provided. And along with that, President Obama and President Trump is also aware of the work I provided. Okay, and actually along with that, providing that wisdom education of public awareness and birthrights process, I was running all the nations worldwide with my wisdom education, nothing else. I just provided wisdom education and healthy guidance process, and I only provided only one task. Hey nations, hey governments, hey populations, hey software world, hey humans, hey just listen to me, to my wisdom education in silence, and get educated first. That is very important. And then do the task without asking me any questions. That is how fast as I was able to provide the tasks. And it is a very complex task, right? That is why the nations worldwide are even wondering in shock. How on the earth, just one woman, I am woman, and one human, I am human. How on the earth, when there are 7.9 plus billions of humans, how on the earth only one woman can do all the jobs of entire human kingdom? I finished the jobs of entire human kingdom. Nobody have to go to the work anymore. Got it? Even President Joe Biden, elected president, do not need to go to the work anymore because I finished his job as well. I finished vice president job, I finished senate job, I finished everybody's job. See, I already conveyed that worldwide, when I was starting to provide the task on that volunteer project, worldwide, entire population were skeptical. They were doubtful. Oh, will this lady or will this person be able to do the task like that? But later on, when I was providing with task after task after task, and all the task has been done by all the nations worldwide, as a team process, population started to think, oh wow, how fast can the government can provide the task like that, right? So you all know that President Trump was able to provide a task only because of my wisdom education. They were listening to me. The Republican administration, on a highest level, they were listening to me. So they were even trying to copy my patented design process, and they came up with an American Healthcare Act. Can you all remember that? I think President Trump and Republican GOP leader should be aware of that. They came up with that, and later on they were not able to provide the design solution because it was copied, it was stolen, right? And I have that patented design. So that is why, so then there again, software world thought, okay, they can copy my design, they can come, and they all went wrong. Everything went wrong. Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, and JP Morgan Chase became a partnership to provide the design solutions actually. According to my wisdom education, I only provided a task, and the task was provided, but sadly, they were not able to provide any task. Why? Because I only have that patented design solutions. But they all got the fundings by the government, and they are still waiting only for my guidelines, right? Because I only have to provide design phase 2 and design phase 3. Already design phase 1 is done. It's done. And it is done in a very perfect way. Whatever task I want, it's done. Can you all imagine how team process works. I don't know anybody in the USA government. I don't know anybody in the retail services. I don't know anybody in the software world, giants, right? But all strangers only. Everybody is strangers. President Obama, President Trump, governments, national governments, leaders, everybody is strangers, but all worked as a team effort. And they all listened only to my wisdom education, nothing else. I said, listen to my wisdom quietly, in silence, do not talk. Why? Because when we all talk, when I'm providing a complex design solution, there will be disturbances and distractions, and then that will lead to delay, right? So I was going on providing task after task after task after task only, nothing else. Okay, so that is how and fast as I was able to provide that excellent design phase 1. So that is one of the eligibility and the proof. So President Joe Biden do not need proof because there is a proof already, right? He already has a live proof that I am the excellent leader who can provide all the tasks excellent way. So he has already proof in hand. Then all nations worldwide is aware of my poverty-free earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project. I have all proofs and can explain as needed later. Okay, so as of January 2021, President-elect Joe Biden of Democrat admin of USA must immediately sign off salary in billions for I worked on complex task project, Poverty-Free Earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project during the Democrat admin President Obama time frame and during the Republic admin President Trump time frame, and I want those two presidents also to sign off along with the civil justice of financial aid and job offer immediately as a team process. And I would also include all the Senate and all the House of Representatives and all the Congress, all the GOP as well to provide the signature in the job offer that's going to be signed off to me, and I'll be happiest to take the job offer and start the job immediately. Okay, and any medal types that can be taken care of later, right? Medal of Honor, Medal of Freedom, Medal of Excellence, Medal of a True Friend, Medal of Guardian Angel, and Medal of How Being Human Always, and Excellence in Counselor, Excellence in Teacher, Excellence in Guide, Excellence in Coach, to guide all the foolish population to walk in the rightful wisdom ways. Then excellence in medical services care, excellent in military services as an army, navy, marine, like all the badges that is available in the military services, excuse me. And then excellent supreme chief civil judge for all nations, right? So in all this medal processing that can be taken care of later on, okay? Because for me, highest priority for me that USA can help me is provide finance aid now, immediate, next second, using direct deposit process, okay? And then sign up the job offer. Then we can work on those medal of types later on, right? Because there are different levels of priority. Priority 1, priority 2, and medal processing is, I would absolutely like to take all the medals, right? But then I do not have that time to say, okay, provide the medals now, because I would say do it later. Well, let me get the job offer first, and let me start doing the job, and let me get the finance aid to take care of basic essentials during the initial transition time frame from being unemployed to getting to start to the job process. That way I can find a affordable housing for me, right? So using those financial aid that is given to me, so, and all the benefits, etc. So then, along with the salary, USA must provide only dual citizenship for me. Okay, I want to be citizen of USA and also citizen of India. Okay, and that is how I want the dual citizenship should be provided to me, must be provided to me. And it is a wisdom education where USA will get educated later on with my wisdom processing. And then I would want the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu to be renamed after my name. Okay, and I, Vedapriya, is a true owner of Tamil Nadu, true owner of India, and I am India, right? I am Tamil Nadu, and I am Tamil. So I want the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu to be renamed after my name, because I displayed all the scandal of Vatican absolute monarchs, right? The Queen of England, Elizabeth II, only destroyed the national operations of USA and all nations across the globe. So for that deadliest crime I displayed to the USA government, I want the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu to be renamed after my name. And it is for a wisdom education process, and I can provide all the guidelines on what next process later. Okay, so Democrat government of January 2021, President Joe Biden, the 46th president of USA, should be aware of late President Thomas Jefferson provided task to Lewis Clark, as in Lewis and Clark expedition from August 31st, 1803 to September 25, 1806 time frame, right? And also known as Carts of Discovery expedition. So worldwide, at least the USA government and the President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, is aware of that. But then there was a scandal behind that also. There is one thing that was good and the other one that is not good. That is an human error. So that needs to be fixed now. When after 18th century went, 19th century gone, then 2021 is there. At least now the civil justice can be signed off by President Joe Biden, and at least he can get that honor, right? Whatever error provided by late President Thomas Jefferson, at least President Joe Biden, the 46th president, can take that honor at least. Got it? So I am providing honor and the credit on the healthiest way. So President Obama and President Trump will credit on their task, on their own government provider, because I was working on the task only during their administration. So they will be honored and they will be credited accordingly. Then President Joe Biden also can get the honor. How? By fixing that late President Thomas Jefferson human errors. He can fix it right now by signing off job offer to me, for signing off finance aid to me, for signing off free lands to be owned by me, right? So that way, the civil injustice provided to then native Indian tribe Sakagiwawa. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing the name, but I want to address it as a then late native Indian tribe, a woman who was guiding in the expedition process, and then York. They were never given the salary by the then President Thomas Jefferson. And in fact, the York, who is a true owner of America, was enslaved as a slave for at least 12 years or so, I think, by Lewis and Clark. It's all a human error. So how those errors and injustice can be fixed as of now in January 2021? President Joe Biden can sign off civil justice for me, right? And I am the native Indian tribe. So that means there's a patterns always. Can you see? The native Indian tribe and the York only provided the root cause of the elements that needed to solve that expedition, and that is how successful the Lewis and Clark expedition were able to provide it, the task in the time frame provided, and they got all the benefits. But native Indian tribe women and the York, who are real owners of the USA, they never got the benefits. So at least 2021 USA can provide that justice as of now, right? Whatever I'm asking only rightful justice in the rightful way, right? So and that is pretty much it. And so now, as in January 2021, Democrat President Joe Biden, using the same process of awarding salary, finance, and the free national benefits when complex task is finished by a civilian process model, right? It is known process model to the USA government only. President Obama is also aware, but he was not able to provide that solution because Republican GOP provided all the roadblocks. Okay, then Republican President Trump is also aware of that process model, but even he was not able to provide that task to me. He was not able to sign off the job offer and finance aid to me only because the Republican GOP leader provided all the roadblocks. Okay, so the when I'm telling the government is broken, we cannot always pointing the fault at only presidents. Okay, as a scapegoating mode. There are different levels of roadblocks and different levels of scandals that's been going on, and we need to fix it. And all the root cause has been identified. Republica GOP leader is an absolute puppet, absolute slave to Vatican Lucifer Antichrist Pope Francis. Whatever Pope Francis is asking to do, only then the puppet and the slave Republican GOP leader will do. And it is same for Democrat GOP leader as well. Both of them cannot mock at each other. Hey, you are a Republican, see, you are handcuffed now by this woman. And Republican government cannot mock at the Democrat government, saying, hey, Democrat government, see, you all got handcuffed by this woman, this wisest woman in the earth. Like that. Nobody can mock at nobody, because the scandal is deadliest, which I'm talking about. And that needs to be fixed. Without fixing, the government should not even dare to start the operation, right? And I can, once when they sign the job off, I can say how to start the operations, government operations, when all the government operations is broken, right? So we need to fix it. Without fixing, we cannot live on that illusion, right? For how long the population need to be tortured with illusion? At least USA nation should be the happiest nation, because I am displaying all the scandal, all the root cause, right? The root cause for all the hell has been identified. That is the good news. That is the good news. That means USA nation and all the nations must be celebrating Merry Christmas just because I am born, right? Because I am the one who is educating wisdom to all the nations. Right? So just be aware, I am is born to protect all the nations and save all the nation, and to restore the destroyed humanity. Right? Whatever that is destroyed, that needs to be restored into the original form. Right? Humans should be living in a peaceful life. Humans should be living in a healthy, happiest life. Humans should be living in a financial stable life. Right? Shedding tears of joy only. So that is how each civilian means 7.9 plus billions of humans must be living only in heaven. Right? So I will keep on explaining those things later. First, let me read and finish this civil justice sign off that needs to be signed off to me to help me in the rightful way. Okay? So, because I worked on complex project Poverty Eradication Volunteer Project, Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 Volunteer Project during the President Obama administration time frame and during the President Trump administration time frame, and I provided excellent design solutions already in phase 1 is a fireproof. And civil justice for me is then President Obama, then President Trump, now President-elect Joe Biden, and all the USA government officials, as the Senate, Congress, everybody today must sign off finance aid lands, free lands to be owned by me, etc., using the same late President Thomas Jefferson National Benefits Process model signed for then late Lewis and Clark expedition. Okay, that is a civil justice to be served to me. And also I provided the same complex task which Lewis and Clark provided. I provided the same task. I would rather say it is more than the task which they provided. Even they will also, if they are alive right now, they will immediately say, hey, President Joe Biden, sign off all the national benefits for this wisest woman in the earth. She is the savior. She is the protector. She is an excellent leader. Just close your eyes and sign off the job offer and provide the finance aid to this wisest women. That is what even Lewis and Clark, if they are alive, will tell. Okay, so I'm talking about the reality here. Then I also finished the patented design phase 1. So only phase 2 and phase 3 is left out. So I want to provide that when the job offer and financial aid is provided, and all nations, entire software world and each government agency world are waiting for me only to start the guidance. Okay, then all my designs are patented, so nobody can copy, and I proved, right? When the President Trump tried to copy, steal my design solution, he was not able to provide the solution. Then the Amazon and JP Morgan Chase and Berkshire Hathaway, they also wanted to copy my design and they wanted to provide, and they were failure. They are merged. That is all as of now, and that the task is left out there as is there. So they are also waiting only for my guidelines, because that is why each and every single software world knows that I only can guide. Even Microsoft, be it Microsoft, Google, Apple, they are all handcuffed mode. But even in the handcuffed mode, they all are aware only I can provide the healthy solutions. Okay. So yes, in ongoing civil justice jurisdiction process and civil justice closure sign-off process, I will provide more proof of scandal of deadliest venom, poisonous, wild endangered species, Antichrist allies, Lucifer, Pope Francis, Roman Empire, Jesuits province leader, God of USA, the perfect Republica, the Antichrist, Pope Francis, the Satan destroyed USA operations in pieces beyond repair. And for each crime I'm providing, it's all $1 trillion of deadliest crime. There should never be any crime in earth anymore, or should never be any crime as of today, but there is. So that is the deadliest crime part of it. And it is itself self-explanatory, right? Nobody needs a proof anymore if Pope is Satan or not, because I'm proving it with a life proof. As of today, there should not be any crime. When Pope Francis is God of USA, how can there be crime? That is the wisdom, right? When Pope Francis is the God of USA, how can there be homeless in USA? When Pope Francis is God of USA, how can there be poverty? When Pope Francis is God of USA, how can there be refugee? How can there be orphans? And each and every single crime he provided, it is all damaging human brain nerve cells. There is never a forgiveness for that crime. Right? I cannot forgive absolute monarchs for destroyed all the nation operations worldwide. I just cannot. But I can bail out all the nations because innocence is identified. Yes, USA nation got all the curses because of Vatican, but there is an innocence identified for youngest nation in the earth called Babylon the Great, United States of America. So I only have to I have to step in when a nation is in crisis, when without any leadership, when all the government is broken. I as a soldier of God should step in and start leading and guiding USA, which I have already started doing it. For the past few weeks, I've been running the nations across the globe already with my civil justice process. Right? That itself is a life proof. So President Joe Biden got all the proof that is needed. Right? He can even close his eyes blindest and then sign off this job offer to me. And USA government and all the nations will know, oh, this wisest lady, oh, whatever this wisest lady is saying is perfect. So they'll not even bother to ask any questions to me. Meaning, oh, this person is going to say it is be correct. It will be wisest ways only. She will only guide all the nations with wisdom ways, never in the foolish ways. So that is the team process, right? That is the team process. So I am the only one who is going to get the civil justice for entire human kingdom, all nations worldwide. Everybody count by count is going to get civil justice, right? I only can provide that. And I'm providing that already with a proof. Okay, so at fault and found guilty in all counts of deadliest crimes of Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, handcuffed USA government must sign off. As of today, January 2021, nation should never have domestic violence orphan created by Pope Francis, or slavery, or homeless, or poverty, or refugee, etc. as in earth, as a proof is a fireproof display that Pope Francis, God of USA, is Antichrist and Satan and Lucifer. Queen of England, Elizabeth II, is also a Satan, Antichrist and Lucifer. So that is why when Queen of England ruling United States of America is a Satan, and Pope Francis also ruling United States of America is also a Satan, is identified and proved, right? I'm proving that with the proof. Then defaults what? Elections 2020 is also scandal, is proved, is invalid, is disqualified, is voided. That is the excellent civil justice that the United States of America should know at this point of time. Why exactly elections 2020 is scandal is because Pope Francis, the ruling Roman Jesuits leader, is a Satan, is identified with the proof. So elections 2020 is invalid, is voided, is disqualified. Got it? And President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, must be aware of all the civil justice process correctly, right? And that is why that needs to be that, to be in the same page, to be in the same frequency, to be in the same wavelength process model when there is a communication process. I provided all the communication in an excellent way. There is no other communication that can be communicated to the USA with excellence, right? And that too after 500 years. The population, the national government of USA have been waiting for 500 long years, waiting for, will there be anybody, will there be God sent angel to come and save United States of America? Yes, yes and yes. As of today, it's very saddest to know United States of America is a one slave nation and entire population, that is, there are 300 million population. They are all sold as slaves to Pope Francis and Queen of England. And I want USA. USA is Tamil Nadu. Each and 300 million population of USA are my blood drops. Each population in all the Europe nations are my blood drops, right? They all belong to me. And all population in Middle East Asia, all Islam nations, all Asian nations, China, India, all belong to me. Right? They all the populations count 7.9 plus billions of humans are my blood drops. They are all belong to me. And I will keep on explaining with more proof and education on how and why later on. Okay, right now I want job. I want USA to sign up the job offer to me, and I want USA to sign up finance aid to me immediately. Got it? So, what is the civil justice served as of January 2021 of as in Holy Bible? Okay, do you all know there is a book called Holy Bible as in HOLY space BIBLE. There is only one book that is called as a holy book. Okay, and it is all for a reason why it is called as a holiest book, I would say. There is no other book that is holiest than the holy book. However, there are more scandals that I have to explain. That I will explain later. So I will leave it as is. For now, just be aware, Holy Bible. So I am asking the rightful civil justice according to the Holy Bible. I hope President-elect Joe Biden is aware of what is Holy Bible, right? And being a lawyer, right? And then he will sign off civil justice, whichever I'm asking for. Right? So I am providing all the civil justice guidelines only as in Holy Bible. Okay? So according to the Holy Bible, Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, the Satan, created deadliest hell creator, Roman Empire crucifixion created, deadliest crime, domestic violence, orphans, slavery, homeless, poverty, refugee, etc. to destroy brain drain nerve cells of fellow mankind daily forever with fatal negligence. Okay, this is a lifetime scar that's been enforced on the civilians. So that is why the crime is deadliest, must be addressed immediately, civil justice must be provided, medical finance compensations must be provided. Okay, and then Antichrist Lucifer failed in Pope's job. Antichrist Lucifer Pope Francis failed in Holy Highness job. Antichrist Lucifer failed in Perfect Republica job. Antichrist Lucifer Pope Francis failed in God job, God of USA job. Then Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis failed in Jesuit's job. And Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist the Satan, created deadliest crime, domestic violence, refugee worldwide, right? Orphans worldwide, slavery worldwide, hatred worldwide, discrimination worldwide, homeless worldwide. All these were created only for tax process, tax scandal. And do you all know at this point of time, Department of Tax, Department of Treasury, Department of Revenue, Department of IRS, Department of Federal Reserve of United States of America is handcuffed mode and is almost in the seal to be shut down mode because they are all provided the deadliest scandal ever for 500 years. They cannot give any excuse, and there is never a forgiveness for the tax errors that scandal provided by USA without any knowledge, without any awareness. Yes, there is a innocence part. So that is why I alone can bail out Department of Tax. I alone can bail out Department of Treasury. I alone can bail out Department of Treasury and Federal Reserve of USA. And I only can guide financial services as well on how to provide healthy finance services worldwide. Right? Everything is broken. Everything is broken. Everything should be sealed and shut down immediately because the crime is deadliest. So I will provide all the guidelines what next later on, once when I start to do the job already. Once when I start to do the job when the job offer is signed off by USA. And that needs to be done. Okay, and I become and I Vedapriya become Vatican leader, and I Vedapriya become supreme civil judge for all nations. For I prove there is never justice services in USA yet, and already year is 2021, and already 500 years passed with injustice. Enough is enough mode. And then I Vedapriya become chief supreme global medical director for all nations. For I prove there is never medical services in USA yet, and already year is 2021, and already 500 years passed with injustice, and enough is enough mode, and proved Medicaid, Medicare, $1 trillion is a 500 year scandal with proof of testimony I am providing to USA government. And I, Vedapriya, I am Native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu, and I must be interim leader of USA, and I can fix all broken USA government services and for all nations, and I must have authority for above all absolute monarch, Satan's Antichrist, Lucifer, destroyed USA operations in pieces beyond repair. Right? When Pope Francis' Satan is identified and proved, when Queen of England is Satan and Satan and identified and proved to the USA, then immediately absolute monarchs organizations and must be sealed and shut down immediately for national endangerment operation. And then the civil justice is Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and all nations will thank me infinite later. Okay, I own Tamil Nadu, I own India. Okay, I am India, I am Tamil, right? I can speak Tamil also. So I will translate that last sentence in Tamil, okay, for all the Tamils worldwide. Okay, Lord Ripon Building, okay, Tamil Nadula வந்து லார்ட் ரிப்பன் பில்டிங் வந்து லார்ட் ரிப்பன் பில்டிங் பேரில் இருக்கின்றது. அந்த பெயரை வந்து என்னுடைய பெயராக மாற்ற வேண்டும். அது எப்படியாக மாற்ற வேண்டும் என்றால் வேதப்பிரியா என்று ஆரம்பித்து அது அந்த பில்டிங் பேரை முடித்துவிட்டால் அந்த பேர் என்னோட பேராக மாறிவிடும். ஸோ whatever I am explaining in English, I explained it in the Tamil for all the Tamils worldwide to listen to my wisdom education, right? So one more time I want to repeat that civil justice. Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu should be renamed after my name, for I displayed Queen of England Elizabeth II is the Satan, is an Antichrist, is a Lucifer who destroyed the national operations worldwide. For that I want that civil justice to be served. And it is all for healthy wellness human standards only. Okay, and whatever happening in whatever predictions forefathers predicted in the Holy Bible is happening now. So that is why I do not want USA government and the President Joe Biden and the Democrat admin to fear anymore the Satan's absolute monarchs. I do not want Republican government anymore to fear the Satan's absolute monarchs anymore, because I am there. I will take care and I will stand in front of all the nations and I will get civil justice for all the nations also. Right? Because destroying a national government and misguiding a national government is a deadliest crime. And being a puppet and slaves to Pope Francis, sadly, it is the medical services who misguided all the national operations in a wrongful way. That is an absolute crime. So I can bail out all the people, all the government professionals. But for that, I need to start my job, and for that, the job offer should be signed off. And I need to be taken care of immediately for all my basic essentials with the healthy financial aid. So I will also read two more of the write-ups for the civil justice process, okay, to be on the same page. So you all might be wondering, how will I provide the solutions as a infrastructure solutions architect for all nations, right? So that will be, I will provide solutions as an initiative for policy creation process using existing templates. Okay, and I will send the initiative to the policy building initiatives to the teams assigned for each policy bill accordingly as per rules and constraints of USA, and for voting process to entire population of USA, House of Representatives, Senate, Congress, 50 state leaders, Vice President, governors, mayors, President, and also I will also rewrite the amendments. Okay, I will also rewrite the amendments. I will also rewrite the Declaration of Independence of USA, and I will also rewrite the Pledge of Alliance of USA accordingly later down the road. Okay, in a healthy human wellness standards. So then I will also provide approximately 30 days to 90 days deadline time frame for signing off all the policy bill, right, as a teamwork. Okay, and then I can also be untold soldier behind the scenes and provide all the solutions and assist to USA with healthy process, right? And then that way, public as in human population will not be panicked about the sudden changes. So versus the healthy transition process will help entire human population to see the upgraded, signed off policy bill and older versions of all the Antichrist created, absolute monarchs created policy bill, and older versions of the policy bill can be grandfathered and sunsetted and destroyed. Okay, then the public will be living in peace with passes understanding in all nations, countries forever, with shedding only tears of joy forever, in happy always mood. Okay, in a peaceful mood. So that is one civil justice. And the other one is, I also want to say that given an opportunity as an infrastructure solutions architect for global public health care services, I will do my best with best of my ability, which I already proved with the task I have done, right, with poverty-free earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project. I provided all my leadership qualities in that project itself. That says it all, right? Then I will provide services as a guardian, angel and soldier, and assist and guide USA to be rewritten from the scratch. Okay, and I can also provide solutions and assist in rewriting 193 nations across the globe. I'm saying 193, it's just an approximate estimate of whatever nations that is available as of now. I will provide all the healthy solutions. Then the job title, customized job title is Global Public Healthcare Welfare Services Leader for all the nations across the globe, across the continents, across the islands. Okay, that should be the job title, customized job title to be given to me. Then infrastructure, national operations, design solutions architect for 50,000 years rewrite medical care for all project. And USA government must also sign off Doctorate of Humanity Service Public Mental Health Care, Global Poverty Relief Medical Director for all nations. Okay, so these are the civil justice that needs to be provided, and once when I'm done with all the design solutions, I can also quit the job accordingly as and when needed, right? So at least for the next 5 years and beyond, meaning those are the approximate time frame I'm asking for, right? And I can finish the design solutions even earlier because I have all the patented designs in my hand, right? So that is pretty much it, and I hope the United States of America, the government, the Senate, the GOP, the House of Representatives, the governors and the mayors, and all states in United States of America, then the Congress, then the Senate, and I think I covered everybody, right? If I missed anybody, just include them all, and then all the existing presidents and all the existing ones, presidential elected candidates. Those are all living people, right? I want everybody to come in and join as a team and then sign off the job offer to me, and I will be happiest to accept the job offer and start the job immediate and start to guide all the nations in a healthy human standards ways. Okay, and this is me. I am I want to wave to everybody, and I am Vedapriya, and I want to talk one more Tamil sentence. En பெயர் Vedapriya. நான் வந்து நல்லா தமிழ் பேசுவேன். So that is pretty much it. So I just want to end this session. I would rather say consider this as a town hall session, right? Or healthy meeting session within the team processing, right? So consider it as that mode, and I hope and wish I get the civil justice served immediately, right? And as a highest priority, I want the finance aid to be provided immediately. That way, during the transition process from not having the job, being unemployed mode, to get into the job mode, that transition part, when the finance aid is provided, I can take care of. So I hope and wish I get the healthy civil justice sign off immediately by President-elect Joe Biden, who is a lawyer and who is also aware what is Holy Bible. And I am providing all this civil justice process according to the Holy Bible guideline standards. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now, and just be aware, civil justice only wins always, all the time. Right? So I will provide civil justice to 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide in less than 1 minute. Just believe me. Okay, however, there needs to be a process, right? USA needs to sign off job offer to me, then USA needs to provide the finance aid for me to take care of my basic essentials, right? And then I will provide healthy processing for entire human kingdom, all the national government operations as well. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care one more time. Bye now. And if you all love to sing Merry Christmas song, go ahead and sing. Go tell it to the mountain that Jesus Christ is born, and go and also sing Joy to the World song, right? So be happy, celebrate, being aware that satanic forces who destroyed entire nations worldwide will be gone without a trace, in ashes. Okay, and that is also according to the guidelines as in Holy Bible. Okay, take care. Bye now.